Good morning, everyone, and thank you for doing such a great job on your distant learning assignments. Keep up the good work. Hopefully they're not too difficult and too lengthy. Today we're going to switch things up a little bit, and we're going to do some artwork in health class. This assignment is what I call the addiction drawings. And in the next slide, you are going to see a whole bunch of different adjectives that somebody who is addicted to drugs might be feeling. So what I'd like you to do is choose any word you would like, and that's going to be your theme of your drawing. So you're going to use that word to kind of do whatever you would like to show what addiction looks like. Don't worry about your talent for drawing and art. I am not grading you on that, just on your idea and your completion. So take some time, think of a great idea, and when you're finished with your drawing, I want you to take a picture of it, upload it onto Schoology, or you can share it with me on Google, whatever works best for you. And please color, use lots of color, no stick figures. I know that's hard for some of you, but that's okay. Just do the best you can. And if you have any questions, please ask me. I think that's all I really need to say. There's more directions in the PowerPoint in the other slides that you will see today. Alrighty, I hope you're all doing well. I miss you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.